What's up, guys? Back at it again. We got some new parts for the C6 Corvette. So this time we're gonna get rowdy. That's right. Got that Corsa exhaust. So I'm gonna start by removing the stock one and go on from there. Alright, we're gonna start by removing these, breaking these loose, sliding that X-pipe back right there. So broke these loose, these are 15 mils. So then I'm gonna slide this out, slide it back so I can be able to take these mufflers. Alright, these come off right here. 13 mils, one on each side. Bam, bam. Just holding it right there. Alright, at this point I'm actually taking these bolts off right there. 13 mil, the ones holding up the mufflers. There's another one over here on this side, right there. And then you got two more up here. 1, 2. All right, then you gotta drop this as well. That, and most likely disconnect from here. So all that has to drop down to allow these to drop. All right, so finally got them in. The 192 part number goes on the passenger side, and the 193 part number goes on the driver's side. All right, so let me throw these in there along with the clamps. All right, so this was a pain putting all this in. Finally got everything put back in. I actually ran these pipes first and then put everything in place. See, there's these up here, man. I don't know if y'all can see them. Those right there. Yeah, the bolts right there that secure the mufflers in place. Just set everything in place, kind of got it aligned a bit. So I haven't took the wrapper off the tips, but I think it's gonna be right on the money. But everything's secured. I tightened back up the sway bar link, which was you have to drop it. You don't have to disconnect that, the ends, link ends. Just as soon as you, as long as you drop these, you're good. All right, and then you bring these up, and the way I got them through the hangers, I lubed them up so they went on easily. All right, that's the trick. And now ready to start it up. Bring it down and start it up. But first, let's take this off. Yeah, look at the tips. That's what she said. Yep, that's it right there. Black tips, 4.5 inch. I guess they look aligned. Nice. That's just for kind of putting them on their ballpark. That looks good, right on the money. I'll probably tweak with them a little more, but I'll start it up right now.